So thanks for your interest to this great and exciting program for joint BSMS degree. So actually, as we discussed, this program would not only save you time to get a master degree, but also save you money and also give you the right skills that are needed by industry and beyond to actually get your dream job. So I will go through all of this quickly, but before that, I would like to welcome you and also welcome several of the program directors and also staff members who are helping us in running our grad programs. And we really look forward to expand grad education here at the College of Innovation and Technology. And I think Aubrey shared with you kind of a sign-in link to just express your interest, like what master program you may want to join. We'll go through all of them. We have many program directors here. So probably I can start by myself. So I'm Marwan Santini. I'm Associate Dean for Grad Education and Research here at the University of Michigan-Flint. I just joined last summer. Before that, I was Chair of Computer Science Engineering at Oakland. And before that, I was Professor and Director of AI Center and so on at the Dearborn campus. So very nice to meet you all. And it's exciting time to be here at CIT with a lot of new grad programs and really develop it in close collaboration with many industry partners. So with that, Dr. Ali, you want to go next? Introduce yourself.
Hello, everyone. My name is Ali Arfifa. I'm Associate Professor of Electrical Engineering and Director of Electrical and Computer Engineering Graduate Programs. I joined here in January 1st, so it's not 38 days even. Before that, I was an associate professor in Oakland University, and before that was instructor at UBC Vancouver campus. Nice meeting you all.
Thank you. Thank you. So the idea, you know, all the program directors for whatever field you know, so you can actually talk to them directly as well. So thanks, Mohammed.
So yeah, welcome everyone. My name is Mohammed Makawar. I'm also associate professor in the computing, and also I'm director of the graduate program masters for software engineering and artificial intelligence. And also, just like Professor Ali, I just joined the college this semester. Nice to meet you all.
Yeah, and Mohammed, he was the coordinator of the grad program at Rochester Institute of Technology, who was dealing with hundreds of applications there. So this is not new to him. And yeah, welcome again for Mohammed. Yeah, Doug.
Hi, everybody. I know some of you already from classes. I'm Doug Zicko. I'm an associate professor in CIT. I'm the director of the Masters in Human-Centered Design and the Masters in Computer Science and Information Systems. Before this, I was at Oakland University as an assistant professor, where I was also the director of the PhD program in Computer Science and Engineering.
Thank you. Erin?
My name is Erin Stem. I'm the recruitment and communication specialist in the graduate programs office. So I will work with many of you through the application process.
Thank you very much. So, yeah, Joe.
Hi, everyone. My name is Joe Susik. I'm a professor in the biology department, professor of cellular molecular biology. And I'm actually pinch hitting today. I'm actually not the director of our graduate program, but Dr. Heather Dawson, who was unable to be here today. So I'm going to try to do my best to fill in for her.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Aubrey?
Oh, hi, I'm Aubrey Kraut, and I'm the graduate programs manager for CIT. So I would be working with any students who want to find out what it would look like as far as your classes and the required classes if you join one of the programs.
Great. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Jeff Dobbs. I'm the undergraduate advisor for computer information systems, information technology informatics, the digital manufacturing and automation technology, sustainable energy technology program, and data science.
Great.
Hi, I'm Ashley Bennett. I'm the undergraduate advisor for computer science, cybersecurity, and software engineering.
Okay. Thank you. Shannon?
Hi, all. Shannon Rosowski. I'm director of student affairs within CIT.
Good. I hope I didn't forget anyone from director staff. Okay, great. So probably those who are online as well. Amal, you want to introduce yourself quickly?
Yes. Hi, everyone. Amal Al-Husban, the director.
Oh, we cannot hear you. Let me try to figure out what's going on. So,
can you hear me now?
Oh, I think now we should be able to hear you, Amal.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, great. Hello, everyone. My name is Amal Al-Husban, director of the computing division and an associate professor of computer science.
Great. Thank you, Amal. Khalil?
Hi.
You can.
Yeah, Halil Bishkin. I'm an associate professor of computer science in CIT as well, and I'm the director of the Masters in Data Science.
Great, thank you. Khalid? Dr. Malik?
Yes, I'm here.
Oh, yeah, I see you online, so yeah, please
I was
introduce
there.
yourself
I went to
quickly.
106.
Yeah, just
Hello, everyone.
introduce yourself for now. And yeah.
I'm Khalid Malik. I'm a director of cybersecurity and also director of graduate program of cybersecurity. I'm happy to answer any questions relevant to the programs that we are offering, and also we have a lot of research projects, and we are looking for good students for those programs.
Thank you. Thank you, Khalid. Also, Khalid joining us really, a few months ago as well. He's our cybersecurity expert with a lot of experience in that regard. And finally, I think, James, just quick introduction to everybody.
Hey everybody, so I'm James Alsop. I'm here to support smart manufacturing and digital transformation programs that are taking off. Should I say a little bit about the programs inside?
That's later,
Yeah,
just
yeah.
quick introduction. So
Yeah.
James is our director of the engineering division. So I'm glad that all of you are here, and that's what we want to see here at the University of Michigan-Flint, really close interaction between our faculty, our director, and you. So feel free to reach out, at any time. So without further ado, I believe all of you see this kind of a flyer, and there are many printed here about this exciting program. Especially, we have so many new programs now in CIT. I will go through that. And you can see the list here. That include smart manufacturing and artificial intelligence, biology, computer science, cybersecurity, data analytics, data science, digital transformation, electrical computer engineering, human-centered design, mechanical software engineering, and all this program, as you know, are really highly needed in industry. Basically, the average when you get a master degree compared to an undergrad, you get an average of 16K of annual actually salary raise. So because you can apply for promotion, you can actually get or open opportunities for jobs requiring a master degree, especially nowadays. To be competitive in the market, you need to actually get more and more specialized skills. You can be a computer science student, but you may want to get more skills on AI, on data science, on digital transformation, whatever area. So before going into every single program that we have, I want to give you an overview how this program works. Once you are done with, I would say, a minimum of 55 credits of your undergrad, or you're about to finish 55 credits, or you could probably finish it more than that, probably 60, 65. You need to apply to this program. And thank you for completing the interest form. So we'll reach out to you based on what program you expressed an interest, and working with your advisors and so on in order to get you applying to this program. We made sure that the application process now is smooth, straightforward. We will not ask anymore for 2 recommendation letters or basically, anything that is quite extensive like transcripts and so on. We are making it really smooth. It's just 1 page of a form that you need to complete. Our faculty trust that any of our own undergrad who have a minimum of 3.0 GPA, they should be good students. So, and this is aligned with typically what universities are doing in the US to encourage BSMS programs. So the process would be straightforward. So we want you really to be successful, and we want to invest on you. So actually, as you will see, the process is like, once you are admitted in the BSMS program, basically you can count up to 16 credits of 500 level courses. So basically, most of our program will allow up to 16 credits, which mean 1 year of your master's can be done for free, and also in parallel with your undergrad. We have 2 programs. I think mechanical engineering allow up to 12, then biology up to 8, but all our other programs allow up to 16 credits. So the way how it works, you will work with your advisor on your study plan to basically, instead of taking 4 courses at the 400 level, or some of them are 300 level, you will take the 500 level version. In CIT, for most of the program, we are creating a lot of new cross-listed courses. I know that many of you are taking, I don't know, for example, an AI class that has also a grad component. So it could be at the 400 level and 500 level. So some of you may experience it that sometimes you have one section for grad students, another section for undergrad, but it's taught by the same instructor. That's what we call cross-listed courses. Like I'm giving here as an example, CIS 431 has actually a grad component, a grad section, which is cross-listed. So instead of taking it at the 400 level, you would take it at the 500 level. So basically it's the same topic, but you would take it at the 500 level. That's for most of our programs. And basically, you will be able to get your undergrad degree in time. So this program will not delay your time to graduate. So basically, just in your study plan, there are 16 credits that will be basically replaced by 500 level courses. So that will not delay your graduation. It's a double counted. So basically it will apply toward both your bachelor degree and your master degree. So no extra time here. So basically, once you get your undergrad degree, you will get your bachelor degree, plus you will get actually 1 year of your master's done for free as well. So basically 16 credits means 1 year of your master is done and also for free. We will not ask you to pay extra in terms of the tuition. These are double counted, and also you'll pay undergrad tuition for this grad courses. So basically, it's an opportunity for all of you. We really want to invest on you here in CIT. We know that industry is looking more and more for specialized skills. So basically, you will get your undergrad degree plus 1 year of your master's done for free and getting really more specialized skills. Once you get your bachelor degree, you may start a new job, or you may decide to continue full-time to finish the remaining 16 credits, because a master's typically 32 credits. So typically what happens, most of the time, many of you'll get your bachelor degree and you have a full-time job. So there is no requirement that you have to continue your remaining 16 credits full-time. So you can take a break for one term if you want, then come back later, or you can take 4 credits because you are working full-time. I want to mention that most of employers, they actually have a program that will pay for up to 8 credits per year for tuition. This is pretty common. Like the big 3 in automotive, they have this program. So most of companies in high tech and engineering and so on, they have this type of program. So actually you can finish the remaining 16 credits at your own speed. So that's why it's really great opportunity, I mean, for all of you. There is no really expectation you need to continue full-time and so on. You can take it on your own speed. It might take you 2 years to finish them, probably a bit more. It's totally fine. But you have to do it early again. You cannot get your bachelor degree and then apply for the joint BSMS. You need to do it actually early while you are still undergrad here to get this double counted courses. Then you will get your master degree, and that's typically open new opportunities for you. You can see all our degrees. Our grad program directors will talk about them as well. They are really highly needed in industry, whether artificial intelligence, software engineering, digital transformation, smart manufacturing, cybersecurity, human-centered design. They are really specialized skills that are needed. And the way how we developed this program, it's really specific also to the industry needs in Michigan. That's why you will see many concentration like in AI. We have embedded AI. It's because it's really needed in automotive. They want really to see this machine learning models working on embedded, ECUs in cars. They want to see you mastering not just applying these models in the cloud, but also in the cars. The same thing for software engineering masters. We have concentration on embedded software engineering. The same thing for ECE. We have electronics, vehicle electronics concentration, and electrification, and so on. So it's really developed in a very close collaboration with industry. So before moving towards showing you the different great programs that we have, is there any question about the program itself? And depending from which area, whether mechanical, computer science, whatever, do you have any questions about how to apply, about any ambiguities that you have about the program. Yeah, feel free to ask questions. I don't think I'm a great teacher, like to explain this, in a nice way. So
a fine job, honestly. So.
yeah.
If I can just like give a
Yeah.
quick comment. I think one of the latent benefits of this, since we have so many new master's programs and bachelor's programs now, such as human-centered design and artificial intelligence, is that the BSMS program allows you to kind of go back in time, and if you wish that you specialized in one of those new majors, you can kind of do that through the BSMS program without any added cost to you. And so I think it's
Yes.
something that is worth noting.
Yes. Yeah, definitely. It's basically doing 1 year of your master for free. I mean, again, we want to invest in you because we think you'll be great alumni one day for UM-Flint, and you will pay this back. Like, you will advocate for CIT. You may be probably one of our donors. So we want really that we help you to be successful because there is a lot of needs from industry to have the specialized skills. So thank you, Doc, for emphasizing this again and again. This is very important to know that there is no extra time and no extra money you'll be paying. You will get actually the right skills with more specialization. Any other questions online? Aubrey, are there any questions
There's
about
no
the process?
questions, but I do want to add one comment that it's up to 16 credits because it's not 16 credits for every single
Yeah.
program that are double counted. I know the biology double counts 8.
Yes. Yeah, so we have only 2 programs, biology and mechanical, that they have less than 16. So biology 8 and mechanical 12. Yes.
So I want to ask, in regards to like after applying for this program,
Mhm.
you say that we're going to be taking courses in the master level. So with the difficulty, I don't know, like would it be very like noticeable when you're taking classes like that? Or
Oh, that's a great question.
Yeah, so this is actually a very good question. I will let also the expert who are teaching those cross-listed courses. So who want to take it for, yeah.
I can start because the benefit of it, we're not just like directors of the program, like we're actually teaching the courses that have these cross-listed 400 and 500 level courses. And I can tell you the way that we accommodate that, meaning the way that we can teach a course in a way that has both master's level students and undergraduate students is through modifications of the course load. So for example, if you were registered for a 500 level version of one of my courses, I might assign you additional course readings, maybe from some of the biggest names in the research world, some very recent literature on the topic, and have you write up some short pieces about your understanding of the material. Or if there are 6 hands-on projects in the class, I might assign you a 7th project. Just so you can go a little bit deeper in material. And we're going to be aware of if you're part of the BSMS program, so it's not like we throw you to the deep end of the pool, good luck. Like, we want you to be successful, and we'll work through that with you.
thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. So as Professor mentioned, like you can have an extra, assignment, or sometimes the type of a project could be different, more research oriented, but it's not really a big deal. And we all understand that to get exposed to grad education, you need that. So please, Mohan. Yeah.
Also, you can think of these courses as a preparation for you for the master's level. Now you're kind of familiar with how it looks and what's kind of the workload you're expecting, so you'll be able to plan that properly once you graduate from the bachelor's degree as well.
Any other comment from other disciplines, probably like in biology, for example? Is there any difference in terms of the courses that you may want to highlight, or it's similar to what other disciplines, for example?
For very similar to what was just explained, where generally grad students who are taking the class will do some sort of extra work, extra assignment, a presentation or something like that.
Yeah, perfect. Great.
One question online. What is the maximum credits that you can have to still be eligible to join the BSMS program in time? For example, if someone has 30 credits or less left to graduate.
Okay. Please come on in. So join us. Yeah, please. Yeah, the BSMS session, we changed the room. So yeah, please come on in. So yes, thank you, Aubrey. And this is actually a great question. So basically, the short answer is to say that that there is no specific limit, but I would say the general limit would be like you need to have a minimum of 16 credits of eligible classes that can be double counted as for the joint program. Like if you don't have the minimum of 16 credits left to get your degree, where the 16 credits could be like, your core or major, courses, of course, it's too late because you cannot meet the requirement. But as long as you have a minimum of 16 credits left toward your undergrad that are for eligible courses to be double counted. For example, if you have the 16 credits that are left, they are all, I don't know, gen education courses, I don't know, in English or in humanity. Of course, it's probably late, but as long as you have those 16 credits that can be double counted. And I believe all your advisors here, undergrad and also grad advisor, will work with you to hopefully make it happen. So sometimes we accept some waiver from time to time, so we can do our best to get you in. So did I miss anything from the advisor perspective, like
That's not,
study plan? Yeah.
it has to be 16, like if you're doing one of the 16 credits, it has to be 16. You couldn't do 12 and carry 12 up.
No, we said 16. For programs who require less than 16, so they can do less, like mechanical 12 or biology 8. But for most of the program, it's kind of, there is a template there. It should be 16 of double counted course. But again, please let us know, like we can try to see if there are some waiver, if we see like, equivalent courses, and we can approve some waivers in that regard. So, but of course, if you are almost done with your 120 credits, probably it's too late to apply for the program. Great. If there are no other questions, probably let's give you an overview about the different programs that, we have. Yeah, please go ahead.
Sorry, actually I was raising my hand. So I'm a student from mechanical engineering department, and I have around like 40 credit left for my graduation. So my question is like, as I see on the flyer that we can avoid the 400 level classes and we can take the 500 level advanced classes. So is it gonna be within my 128 credit limit, which is I need for my graduation?
Yes.
That's the one question. Second question is, if I take 500 level classes, basically it seems like these are the advanced level classes. So the topics, if I don't have that topic in my bachelor level class completed, am I able to take that 500 level classes or not?
These are two great questions. The short answer for the first one is yes. The second one, and probably James may jump in here. As I said, there are some waiver opportunities, but James can explain that better.
So Grayhan, what you would run into are sort of elective courses inside of it. So I think the concern that you're representing would be more in the core courses. Like could you take the graduate level fluids when you haven't taken the undergraduate level fluids? And the answer to that's no. What you'd be looking at would be elective, like renewable energy, or maybe some sort of thermal systems type of course, and those would be built. They would be a self-contained course that you'd have. There would be different components at the graduate level, like we were saying. It depends on the instructor. Probably some sort of research-oriented portion that would be in addition to the 400 level, but the content would be self-contained inside of the courses. So.
Great, perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you. So, and again, please make sure to complete the interest form, and we'll reach out to you individually to deal with your situation and make things happen and helping you, to take advantage of this really great opportunity. I can tell you in some other university, they enroll all undergrad students in a BSMS program. Then you have to opt out because basically it's a great, opportunity again for free and also give you the right specialized skills. So we have so many actually programs that are offered would give you a lot of choices now. So probably if I share with you before that, I let the program director briefly explain the programs. So this is all our master's programs. We have actually 16 master's programs that are really aligned with the industry needs. We'll be organizing as well a grad open house on March 5th. Feel free to join as well. And with that, I will probably start from the first one on my list, which is the Masters in Software Engineering. So the director can give a brief overview about this master program and what skills you can gain by joining the Master in Software Engineering. And again, whatever you are in cybersecurity, in computer science, in data science, bachelor, you can have Master in Software Engineering. So it doesn't mean that you are bachelor in cybersecurity, you can just do master in cybersecurity. No, actually the idea is to give you that opportunity to get specialized skills. You can be bachelor in computer science and masters in software engineering or AI or whatever area. So
Great. So welcome everyone. So this is the Masters of Software Engineering, and you can think of this opportunity as one way to set yourself apart from thousands of graduates who actually also in computing. And as you can see here, the master's program is set in a way to fit your future needs, right? We have multiple concentrations. One is artificial intelligence, one is embedded systems, mobile development, games, cybersecurity, and IoT, right? And also, of course, data engineering. So you can think of this as a way for you to see what actually you need once you graduate and once you go to industry. You'll find yourself working in one of those areas, and you may want to take now and specialize in one of those areas, because what will, you can think of your undergrad as a way to build foundations, okay? And now these concentrations will give you that in-depth that you need, the depth that you need to actually develop the skills that will help you immediately where you work, okay? And you can apply to this, not only to the Masters in Software Engineering, but you can think of all our different masters. They kind of have this similar vision, right? To give you that depth that you need once you hit industry, okay? So, of course, we offer these courses, as you can see here, on campus and also online. So this gives you a lot of flexibility once you're working here close by or remote. We also try to help you through the process of streamlining those courses throughout your needs, because maybe you have different schedules, we have different schedules, try to accommodate that as well. We try to be as flexible as we can to give you the breadth and the depth that you need for your concentration. So I'm not sure what else I should be covering. And also, maybe one quick word, you notice that there's a lot of interdisciplinary areas here, as of AI, data science, mobile development, embedded systems. So you can also be taking courses in software engineering while you're a master of software engineering, but also you may pick electives from other programs as well. We recommend you doing that to build your own custom-based or personalized degree. Yeah.
Great. Thank you very much, Mohammed. And as Mohammed mentioned, we have many concentrations very aligned with industry, like embedded software engineering. I can tell you, we got a lot of feedback from, especially automotive industry. Like, we are graduating people who can do coding, but they don't understand the embedded world and so on. So following that track, you would be really an advantage comparing to many other applicants. And the same thing for IoT, cloud engineering, and beyond. So thanks again, Mohammed. So the next program is the MS in smart manufacturing.
So I'll say, thanks. Just a little bit about the smart manufacturing program. What we're trying to do with this one is learn how to navigate emerging technology in the manufacturing world. So you're going to look at a core course that sets up on advanced manufacturing topics, and then you're going to pick sort of 4 specializations that you would think that you are more interested in. The first one's going to be right here with impacts of augmented and virtual reality systems. The next one's going to be industrial Internet of Things and cybersecurity. So if you're interested in how to secure all the aspects of your workforce. Then you're looking at digitalization of manufacturing systems. So that's going to be where you learn how to perform efficient manufacturing, like additive manufacturing and 3D printing. And then the last one is how collaborative robots are starting to impact the manufacturing industry. So yeah, all 4 of those are designed specifically to impact in-need areas out in the industry.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much. I want to mention this is the very first master's program in smart manufacturing. There is no other university in the state of Michigan offering this. And as you know, smart manufacturing is a very highly needed area, specifically here in Michigan. So data analytics, I'm not sure if the director is here. Oh, okay, you are here. Okay, please go ahead.
Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, so just real quickly, you'll see the word data in very many of these programs. So we have data analytics and data science and data engineering represented. The data analytics program is really about the part of that field that works on applying those sorts of skills to business and industry. And so inside of this program, you'll take a lot of the computer science classes, a lot of math classes for the first half, and then you'll specialize. So if you want to apply those skills to business or to healthcare, there are concentrations in that program to do that. And the third one here is on geospatial analytics, which is the interplay of data with maps. And that's super big in, polling and voting and the spread of disease and very many modern topics where we have to track how data spreads across the world or across a country. Yeah, probably that's a good enough intro for those.
Thank you very much. And Cam is the director of the math and natural science division and director of the. So thanks again, Cam. And this is another exciting degree. As you know, data analytics is very popular, especially for those who may want to focus more on the application side, whether in business analytics and so on. This is actually a great opportunity as well. So let's move to the data science part, because probably some of you may get confused between the difference of data science and data analytics, and I think Halil is here, the director of the data science program, to give you a brief overview about this program. Halil, are you here? Yes, please.
Yeah.
We can hear you. Yes.
I think I just got frozen. Okay. Can you hear me well?
Yes, we can hear you well.
Yeah. Okay, there's a lag. Okay. Yeah, hi. This is Halil Bishkin again, one more time. Yeah, data science has been confused with some other disciplines like data analytics and so on. And I just wanted to clarify that point first. We are all data lovers, like data analytics professionals and us. But here in data science, we are more into machine learning. And you start like a computer science major and you take some fundamental programming courses. And then we try to train you guys like in a way that you can have more stats and math background. So you take related courses in that field. And meantime, you also have specialization on machine learning and AI as well. So you'll be equipped with all these model developments and some statistical models by the time. Of course, as in other programs, we have tracks and concentrations. And one of them is going to be data science foundations and machine learning concentration. In this one, we are going to be really focusing on machine learning, AI, data visualization is going to be the crucial part of this program. And we have been teaching this course for a while. And as for the data science, we are going to be dealing data, right? And then we'll have some, we are be looking for some opportunities to have these models and data pipelines stored in the cloud so that everything can be automated. So that's going to be the IoT and cloud computing aspect of the data science program. And as for the data, the very important part also is the privacy and the security of this data, how to store this one. And there will be the cybersecurity aspect of this. And we also have this machine learning for cybersecurity courses we have been working on. We already proposed those courses and they are available also in the catalog. And finally, for those who would like to really focus on the data engineering part and associated with software engineering aspect, we also have this software engineering aspect of the program where they can specialize on software engineering and data science part so that they can have this pipeline starting from the very beginning, from the data acquisition and building a model and deploying it and having a software running on top of it. Yeah, for further question, I'm always available. You can always email, you know me, I guess. Okay. Yeah.
Thank you very much, Hari, for the great overview. And as Hari mentioned, this is more for the technical part of data science. That include data preparation, data sanitization, cleaning data, and so on to be used by the AI models later. And again, it's as Hari mentioned, it's really very aligned with the industry needs, with intersection on cybersecurity and beyond. So
Dr. Mazumdar will be here, but
okay, so we can probably skip it then. Okay. So the next one is the master in AI. So Mohammed, you want to take care of it as well? So yeah, it's the director as well of this program.
So you'll see me in both software engineering and artificial intelligence. And honestly, that's because there is actually a strong synergy between both AI and software engineering, And if you see how now the trend of industry and all the jump over large language models and ChatGPT, that's a perfect example of how we can match SE, AI, and NLP, software engineering, artificial intelligence, and natural language processing. So This is what is becoming a strong trend in industry. Everyone is jumping into using those augmented models and large language models in industry. And I think this Masters of AI combined with software engineering, and because you will see software engineering as well in here, right? AI and software engineering will give you that kind of skill that will help you understand how to deal with these stochastic systems, how to be able to update, maintain, evolve, test these AI-enabled systems, which is becoming a need right now in industry. So that's why AI and software engineering, as both masters, will give you that opportunity to develop those skills. Yep.
I just have a question. So you're also in your artificial intelligence program, you're offering robotics, then the smart, but then you're also offering the smart manufacturing as well. How would I?
Oh,
like what's
that overlap is intentional inside of it. So it sort of
Yes.
comes from your background. You would work with faculty and advisors to get a feel for which one you're stronger suited for inside of it. But the coursework could and intentionally overlaps a little bit.
Yes, that's exactly what I was saying earlier when I was introducing software engineering. I said that there is a strong overlap between all these programs on purpose so that we can help you develop, this interdisciplinary research, right? So we're having to have these sections. This master's is a way for you to decide, okay, what I want to be concentrated on, what kind of course do I need in multiple also masters, by the way. Like if you're doing a master's in AI, you're not framed exactly just to AI. You can actually specialize in something else within AI, which we have all these different domains: robotics, IoT, embedded artificial intelligence, and of course, software engineering.
Yeah, so basically when you take a master in AI, so you can target career opportunity like being an AI engineer. So because you'll be taking core courses on machine learning, on foundation of AI. And then depending what you want to do in your career, you get kind of a flavor of how to apply AI on a specific areas. So that's why we have this concentration, but you'll take core courses about AI. But others, for example, they may want to say, oh, I want to work, more as a robotic engineer. So it's better in that case to do, masters, for example, in robotics rather than in AI. So it depends what you want to do in your career. So master in AI give you more flexibility, I would say. So.
Yes.
Great.
Any other questions?
Other questions? Great. So the next one, master in digital transformation.
All right. So digital transformation, it's aimed at sort of leadership and managerial properties inside of a company. So what we want to do is get students in, train them to manage at a high level, and also come up with a strategic plan and learn how to execute that. And what we've looked for in order to do that is sort of a core set of courses where you're looking at sort of a range of all aspects of managing, how you're going to interpret data, how you're going to strategically plan, and how you can communicate that to a group of people. And then you pick your concentration. What you're going to look at is quality management. And then if you're more data centered, you could look at the data analytics concentration. So it's going to be like, understanding where the efficiencies can lie. And then the last one, you're looking at digital finance. So understanding how to efficiently and strategically execute your financial decisions. Okay. Excellent. And then in terms of what it would come from, we're pulling from lots of the different computing programs, but also digital manufacturing and automation inside of it, and all those. Excellent.
Thank you. Thank you very much. And digital transformation is one of the hot topic now in industry. So basically, industry right now, they're not looking for people who understand the IT part, but they want you to understand the IT part, system integration, and so on, and having the leadership skills, as James just mentioned, to kind of make cultural change and also dealing with humans when moving toward digitalization. So yeah, and the next one is the master in electrical computer engineering. So I think yeah, it's all yours, Ali. So thank you. Okay. Yeah, sorry for the mess. Yeah.
Master in electrical computer engineering has a basically design based on the industry needs that we have nowadays. You have different tracks that you can continue: network communication, information system concentration. We have control system robotics, computer vision, signal processing. We have power and energy, which is basically myself working in that area. Vehicle electronics, again, myself working in that area. Embedded artificial intelligence, and semiconductor concentration. So we have 6 different areas. If anyone interested can, have any further questions, please feel free to contact me. Any questions? Thank you.
Yeah. Good. Thank you very much. So probably we skipped the Master in Mechanical Engineering. So Dr. Yeah, so if you want to give an overview about the program quickly.
Okay, so Masters of Mechanical Engineering requires 32 credit hours. You have two options, thesis and non-thesis. So you can have finished the degree without pursuing a thesis. So a 32 credit translates to about 8 classes starting fall. Right now we're transitioning from 3 credit class to 4 credit class. One of the important thing, I think all of you know that we are in the automotive capital of the world. So most of the jobs are related to automotive industry. So master's degree is very important for engineers to have because automotive industry is going through a transformation of digitization and like semi-autonomous vehicle and everything. So they are looking for a lot of people with advanced degree who can develop new technology. So it will be very helpful for you. Right now, we started the program in fall. We have about 6 students and we have a few more applications in place. So if you want to talk more about the master's program, you can come and talk to me. We have the courses here or?
No, just yeah, just an overview.
So admission requirement is you have to have 3.0 GPA. That is good. We also admit a student with a little bit less GPA if you have other credentials. So it's not 3.0 exactly, but if you have 2.5 or above, just apply and we'll review it on an individual basis and then we may get admitted, okay? Any question on the MSc Mechanical Engineering program? You can always send me an email or see me, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Great. So the next one we go to the Cybersecurity Master's program. Then Dr. Malik will run this program.
Thank you. All right, students, couple of questions before I start talking about master cybersecurity. In your opinion, how many job openings relevant to cybersecurity are in the United States right now? Millions. Okay. How many of the openings are here in Michigan right now? Excellent. Good guess. So right now, as of today, this morning, there were approximately 17,000 jobs in Michigan relevant to cybersecurity. And in the United States, there are around 700,000 jobs open. Last year, there were a lot more. A lot of the people from computer science and IT came and filled out those jobs. However, employers are not that excited because those people are not ready to take jobs. They are providing them a training to do a cybersecurity job. Government is also looking for, particularly NSA is looking for, cybersecurity experts because of the geopolitical situation. Now, another important aspect is many of you are quite excited about AI revolution. Do you think AI can stand without cybersecurity? No, right? AI could be confused just by adding a small perturbation, right? It will be fooled. You need cybersecurity experts in the AI team. Another aspect, do you think that AI could be leveraged to do a better job for cybersecurity? Answer is big yes. I'll give you one example. Cybersecurity is very interdisciplinary field. It's very difficult to become a master of everything. For example, automotive cybersecurity is looking for engineers who understand the embedded systems, who understand AI, who understand the different aspect of the attack as well, right? So it's very difficult for one individual to become master of that. But we can develop an AI-based solution to do a task for example, vulnerability scanning. An individual can take, for example, 5 or 6 hours to do that job, but AI is going to do that in few minutes. So why I'm giving you this prediction? This is a very interdisciplinary program. So you are learning a lot about cybersecurity, but there are certain concentration where you are learning about cyber physical system security. You are learning about the AI as well. So there are 4 concentration here. Network and system security concentration is only for those people who are coming from the IT background and they quickly want to finish and get a job relevant to red teaming or blue teaming. But we have Also, one concentration for those who are coming from the computer science background. They want to write a secure software. For them, we have a concentration called application software security. Then comes to specifically the need of automotive and robotics industry. They want people who can secure the cyber physical systems, right? So this concentration includes embedded AI systems, automotive security, and so on and so forth. Lastly, as said earlier, AI could not work without the cybersecurity. The last concentration is focusing on trustworthy AI, where we are teaching people how we can easily fool the AI, how to secure AI. So in other words, in summary, trustworthy AI concentration focusing on two important things: cybersecurity for the AI and AI for the cybersecurity. Any question?
Great. Yeah, thank you very much, Dr. Malik. And again, please make sure to sign in by completing the interest form so we can reach out to you to have more individualized meetings. So to basically make sure that you are eligible for the program. So, other program, you have human-centered design. So, yeah.
Oh, that's cool. Thanks for handling that for me. Hi, guys. So we have a new bachelor's and master's in, it's wet up here, in human-centered design. If you've taken the human-computer interaction course here, or maybe even the computer ethics course, you already have a general idea of what this comprises. So if you've heard roles in industry like user experience design or user experience researcher, usability testing, those are the types of careers that human-centered design prepares you for, essentially interacting with potential end users of a technology, extracting knowledge from them that you use to design something new, and then giving it to real people to see how it best solves their problems. For the master's in human-centered design, students have the opportunity to specialize in one of three areas. One is human-centered AI. I don't think I need to explain the importance and relevance of that topic. We also have augmented and virtual reality, where you'll be learning how not just to design and develop augmented and virtual reality experiences, but assess those with end users through prototypes. And then we have a game development concentration as well, where we have multiple courses specifically catered to designing, developing, and playtesting games. Marwan ran away again. I must have really offended him with this description. Do you want me to go to computer science now?
Oh, yes, please.
Not a problem. So we also have a master's in computer science. That's probably a topic that you're more generally familiar with. It's kind of one of our more foundational master's degrees that covers a wide scope of computing topics. I do want to identify some of the concentrations we have here because they're quite relevant and timely. One is artificial intelligence engineering. Another is cybersecurity. We have data science. We have software engineering and cloud computing, as well as digital transformation. So I would really encourage this master's degree if you want to have a broad breadth of understanding of different contemporary topics within computer science or within information systems, which is what my PhD is actually. He's gone. Does anybody have any questions about the two that I just went over? Just so we're not having awkward silence. Great. No questions. Good. I'll stand up here until Marwan comes back and we figure out what to do. Was there any degrees that we didn't go over? Do you guys are covering? I think we kind of checked them all off.
I will say one thing.
Please, Aubrey.
Does anybody have a paper with the QR code on it that's an interest survey?
Where's bio?
Maybe it's a
Right
general.
there. Flyers, Aubrey? Yeah. No, this one right here. Did everybody get a
Where's
chance to fill
bio?
this out?
We didn't do the bio one. I was going to show that.
You haven't had a chance?
Probably what we can do.
It just show. Yeah. So James just shows.
For biology, probably, do you want to present it quickly? Yeah.
If you fill out that interest survey, we're going to do a drawing at the end for a prize.
Yeah, and also, I mean, that will give you opportunity that you can get individualized actually plans, so we can reach out to you and answer any specific questions. So it's all yours. Thank you.
Okay, so the probably operative word for the MS in biology program is flexibility. So we offer students flexibility in a variety of ways. For example, we have both thesis and non-thesis degree tracks. We also have flexibility in the way that students can proceed through the programs. And so we have had students, non-thesis students, kind of blow through the program in about 3 semesters. And then we've also had students that were working professionals who've taken like 5 years to get through the programs. And then finally, we also have some flexibility in terms of the curriculum. And so there are 2 required classes in the curriculum. And outside of that, students can take whatever they like, wherever their interests are. And so if your interests are in sort of the wildlife area, you can take classes in that area. If you're more cell molecular oriented, you can take a lot of classes in those areas. And so students from the program have gone on and done a variety of things. We've had students who have used it to burnish their credentials to get into medical school or other professional schools. We've had students use it as a bridge to get into PhD programs. We've had students who have gone on to be environmental consultants, who have become lab managers in research labs in Ann Arbor or at Wayne State. So a variety of career paths that our students have followed from leaving the program. And so that's sort of an overview of the program in a nutshell. So if anyone has any questions, again, I'm actually not the director of